Before watching this video, please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes.
So, the another polynomial is cubic polynomial, Ghana Bahupadalu. Let us consider P of x is equal to 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8 is a cubic polynomial. ఇది ఒక ఘన బహుపది అనుకుంటే సో ఈ polynomial అనేది P of x is equal to 0 for x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1/2. x యొక్క వాల్యూ 4 మైనస్ 2 1/2 అయినప్పుడు దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఏమవుతుందంటే 0కి సమానం. అంటే the zeros of given polynomial 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8 is 4, minus 2, 1/2. The sum of the zeros is equal to the sum of the zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, and product of the zeros is equal to the product of the zeros is equal to constant by minus constant by coefficient of x cube. And another relation is sum of the product of the two roots, two zeros. So 2 zeros is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. It is the relation of zeros and coefficients of cubic polynomial. మనం ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ని ఇవన్నీ కూడా సాటిస్ఫై అవుతున్నాయో లేదో చూద్దాం. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం, మన రిలేషన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus of the coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, the coefficient of x cube is equal to 3, the coefficient of x square is equal to minus 5, the coefficient of x is equal to minus 14, the constant is 8. So sum of the zeros means zeros 4 plus minus 2 1/2. So 4 minus 2 plus 1/2, sum of the zeros. And a relation minus of coefficient of x square means minus 5, minus of minus 5 by coefficient of x cube, the coefficient of x cube is 2. So LHS is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1/2 is equal to minus of minus plus 5/2, and the LCM of 2 and 1 is equal to 2. So 2 ones are 2, so 2 into 2 4 plus 1/2 is equal to 5/2, that is equal to 5/2 is equal to 5/2. LHS is equal to RHS. So relation between zeros and coefficients of cubic polynomial is sum of the zeros is equal to minus of coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube is proved. And another relation is product of the zeros is equal to minus constant by coefficient of x cube. So product of the zeros of given polynomial is 4 minus 2 1/2. The product means 1 4 into minus 2 into, so 1/2 is equal to minus constant by coefficient of x cube. The constant of given polynomial is 8 by, so కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్, కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి 2 కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది, రిమైనింగ్ మైనస్ కాన్స్టెంట్. సో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 8 ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ -8 అవుతుంది, -8/2. సో 4 into -1 -4 is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are -4. LHS is equal to RHS. The another relation is also proved. The another relation is sum of product of the zeros is equal to minus constant by coefficient of x cube. And the final relation is sum of the product of the two zeros. Is equal to, so coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. Okay, the sum of the product of the zeros, 4 into -2 plus -2 into 1/2, -2 into 1/2 plus again 1/2 into 4, product of the sum of the roots. It's clear? So 4 into -2 plus -2 into 1/2 plus 1/2 into 4 is equal to coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is -14 by, and coefficient of x cube is 2. So 2 1s are 2 2. So 4 into -2 -8 -1 plus 2 is equal to -7. So -1 -8 -9 plus 2 is equal to -7 is equal to -7. LHS is equal to RHS. The final relation also proved. So again I can repeat it, 3 relations. First relation is sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube. The second relation is product of the roots is equal to product of the zeros. Product of the zeros is equal to minus constant by coefficient of x cube. And final relation, sum of the product of the zeros is equal to my coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. It is the relation between zeros and coefficients of given polynomials, linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. So okay, clear. Let alpha comma beta are two zeros of quadratic polynomial. సో మనం డిస్కషన్ చేసుకున్నాం ఏంటి అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది రూట్స్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. The quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Sum of the roots means alpha comma beta are zeros of the roots, or sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to we know that sum of the roots is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x is equal to b minus b by a. And product of the zeros means alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is equal to constant by coefficient of x square. The constant is c by a. The relation between zeros and coefficients of polynomial is finally discussed. sum of the zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equal to minus b by a. Product of the zeros alpha into beta is equal to constant by coefficient of x square is equal to c by a. And so another cubic polynomial. For example, let alpha comma beta comma gamma are zeros of cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Sum of the roots అంటున్నాను, రూట్స్ అయినా జీరో అయినా ఒకటేనండి, సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ప్లస్ గామా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సో మైనస్ ఆఫ్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై కోఎఫిషియంట్ of x cube. The coefficient of x square is equal to b. The coefficient of x cube is equal to a. So minus b by a. And another product of zeros alpha beta gamma. The alpha beta gamma is Greek words. Alpha beta gamma is equal to constant minus constant by coefficient of x cube. So minus d by a. And sum of the product of the roots alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube, that is equal to coefficient of x means c by coefficient of x cube means a, c by a. It is the relation between zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. Okay, it is final formulas. మనం ఏంటంటే ఆల్ఫా బీటా గామాలని సింపుల్ గా జీరోస్ అనుకుంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది జీరోస్ అంటే శూన్యాల లబ్ధము, రెండు శూన్యాల లబ్ధాల మొత్తము ఈ విధంగా మనం రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ అంటే మనకి గుణకము అర్థం అవుతుంది, అంటే ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ యొక్క గుణకము, ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ యొక్క గుణకము, కాన్స్టెంట్ స్థిర పదము బై సో ఎక్స్ క్యూబ్ యొక్క గుణకము. ఈ విధంగా మనం సింపుల్ గా ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ యూజ్ చేసుకొని మనం రూట్స్ అనేవి లేదంటే జీరోస్ అనేవి ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫైనల్ టాపిక్ ఆఫ్ polynomials. Division algebra polynomials. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2. ఈ x plus 2 తో 2x square plus 3x plus 1 ని డివైడ్ చేయమన్నారు. So we know that dividendo is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So x plus 2 divides 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So it is x plus 2. It's 2x square. ఇక్కడ 2x square రావాలంటే దీన్ని దేంతో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలంటే 2x తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. సో 2x into x 2x square, 2x into 2 plus 4x అవుతుంది. సో రిమైనింగ్ 2x square సైన్స్ అనేవి చేంజ్ చేస్తే సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి 2x square కి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. సో రిమైనింగ్ minus 4x plus 3x minus x plus 1 అవుతుంది. మనకి ఇక్కడ మైనస్ x రావాలంటే దేంతో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలంటే -1 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. -1. సో -1 into x minus x. సో -1 into 2 -2. సో బై మైనస్ సైన్స్ అనేవి చేంజ్ చేస్తే సో మనకి x కి x క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. రిమైనింగ్ -2 +2 +1 +3 అవుతుంది. It is the division algorithm for polynomials method. So means dividendo means 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to divisor means x plus 2 into quotient 2x minus 1 plus remainder 3. This method is called the division algorithm for polynomials. So it is the final method of polynomials. Clear?
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel and click on bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming classes. And share this